Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naz. If you're new here, welcome. And I really wanted to take the time today to say thank you to all of y'all that have supported me since day one. And the newcomers, I say thank you because we are almost at 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for all your support. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can achieve a no makeup look. If you like my video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my uploads. So let's get right into it. Alright y'all, so I went ahead and washed my face and did my eyebrows off camera. So now I'm going to use this serum. It's the Insta Natural Brightening Serum. It has vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, alpha-arbutin, and niacinamide. And the vitamin C and the alpha-arbutin should help me with my dark spots. And of course that hyaluronic acid is gonna lock all the moisture because my face is really dry right now because of the acne kit that I'm using. It's drying my face. Right? Make sure when you apply your serum and moisturizer, you avoid your eyes. And right after my serum, I'm going to use the Dennis Gross C-Collagen Deep Cream Moisturizer. And this moisturizer, guys, smells so good. Oh, I feel like I want to eat it. After my moisturizer, I'm going to go ahead and use the Purity Eye Cream from Philosophy. After that, I'm going to go ahead and start covering my dark spots. And I'm going to use the Dermablend Cover Cream. And then I'm going to use my damp beauty blender. And right after that, I'm going to use my Capture Total Dream Skin by Dior with SPF 50. Just like this. This is so lightweight. It feels like you don't have, almost feels like a tinted moisturizer. let all of that sit, I'm just gonna moisturize my lips, and we'll come back to it later. Alrighty, right after my foundation, I use my setting powder. Even though my face is really dry right now, it's still gonna be oily. And right after the setting powder, I'm just gonna use a little bit of powder to kind of dust the excess of the loose powder. All right, and I'm gonna use the MAC Studio Fix NC50. Don't forget your neck. Always drag it down to your neck. And the ears. Okay, and right after that, I'm just gonna use a eyeshadow base by MAC, and this is the Pro Longwear Pen Pot Groundwork, and it's this natural. And I'm just gonna use a little bit on my eyes to kind of prep them for the eyeshadow. The brush I'm using is by Signa, and this is the P88. Eyeshadow, I'm gonna use the MAC Burgundy ×9, and I'm gonna use this color right here. And the brush I'm gonna use is by Signa again, and this is E38. And right after that, I'm gonna use my eyeliner. This is from NYX, and this is the Epic Ink liner. And I'm just gonna use like a little bit, just draw a line. I'm not gonna drag it all the way out. All right, right after my eyeliner, I'm just gonna bronze a little bit and then put some blush on. And for bronzer, I'm gonna use the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour palette, and this is light to medium. And as you can realize, guys, I went ahead and skipped my highlighting so that way it doesn't look too made up. And the blush I'm going to use today is from Estee Lauder, and this is the Rebel Rose. Right after my blush, I'm going to go ahead and put some mascara on, and this is the Stila Extreme Lash Mascara. And after my mascara, I could have just went ahead and put my lipstick and call it a day, but I feel like I want my face to pop more. With the lashes, it's gonna make my face pop a little bit more. The lashes I'm gonna use today are from LASH STAR, and this is number 8. Alrighty, right after my eyelashes, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my look with some lipstick and a lip gloss. So the lipstick I'm gonna use today is from Anastasia, and this is the Dead Rose lipstick. It's so creamy and velvety. I love this lipstick. And you may have realized that I skipped the lip liner just because we're not doing like a full glam look today. We're just doing something really natural and call it a day. On top of my lipstick, I'm gonna use the NYX lip gloss, and this is the Butter Gloss in the shade Praline. Alright, and to finish up my look, I'm gonna go ahead and use my setting spray from Osmotics, and this is the hydrating setting spray. Alrighty, right after my lipstick, I'm just gonna go ahead and touch up the hair a little bit. I'm gonna use some edge control. And voila, there you have it, your no makeup look. Just something really quick and easy that you can kind of do when you feel like you don't want to wear a lot of makeup. And we all know it's kind of hot out there, so we don't want to put a lot on our face. And I hope you guys enjoy it. So let me know what you think in your comments down below, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.